Hi everybody, so welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix an unable to open link on your Google. Hi, so if you're having trouble opening a link in your Google, then here's how to fix it. You want to first head on to your app store. After that, go to your search button, then search in Google. So here's the Google right here. You want to make sure that this app or this application is already updated after you have installed it. So right here in my case, there's no update options that shows. So I want to just open it. So here's the app itself. Then you want to close the app. Go to your settings. Go to general. Go to iPhone storage. Then search in Google. So here's your Google. You want to upload the app in order to delete the app, but keep its document. This will allow your app to reconnect again so that the issues that belonged here will erased. So you wanna upload that, then just reinstall it after you have upload for like